Today I will tell you the concept of criticality, and which you can understand from the previous short videos also. Like I said, there are pressurized heavy water reactor, fast breeder reactor, and advanced or thorium based nuclear reactor. So, India has generated 8 gigawatt of electricity only from the nuclear technology, and maximum part is generated from pressurized heavy water nuclear reactor. Alright, so 8 gigawatt. For 2032, we have set target of 22 gigawatt, that we will create nuclear energy of 22 gigawatt by 2032. For 2047, which is also our Viksit Bharat stage, that we are focusing on develop India right now. By 2047, we will be very Viksit. So target of 100 gigawatt. The target is very huge. So we have to develop our nuclear reactor. Now here is fast breeder reactor. I will take an example of fast breeder reactor to make you understand that what criticality is. So fast breeder reactor at Kalpakkam, which is in Tamil Nadu, has attained criticality. And not only fast breeder reactor, but prototype of fast breeder reactor. So prototype indicate we have just launched a sample of fast breeder reactor right here. So we have attained criticality in it. So criticality can be understood by very simple example. Let us say these are two aquarium. In one aquarium, fish are moving independently here and there. But in second stage, I have added obstacle. Now all the fishes has to move from this pathway only. Same happens inside the nuclear reactor. There are fuel rods, control rods. Now, there was one day that demand of electricity was not that much. So here I have a nuclear reactor. These are fuel rods. I will drop all the control rods below. Why? Because I have to suppress the fast moving neutrons. So where these fast moving neutron will go? Inside the moderator. And there is coolant which will absorb some of the neutron. But there is one day that lot of electricity demand is there. So what will I do? I will pick these control rod in the above direction like this. Now neutron can flow from this direction as well. I can generate more electricity at the back end. So when loss of neutron is more than production of neutron, that condition is called subcritical. And when production of neutron is higher if compared to the loss, that condition is called supercritical.